welcome back to Caleb's Creative Designs. Tonight I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how to make some of the party favors that we're actually doing for our winter wonderland. So this is actually what we're going to be making tonight. You don't have to actually use this leather border that we're using. You can actually just use a clear mug. However, my daughter does a lot of the engraving on leather and all sorts of things, but I'll go ahead and put her information at the bottom of the description. So if you want anything customized or made for party favors or anything like that, you can go ahead and reach out to her. So this actually is a leather band, and it actually states my grandson's name, which is Azari, and it states Winter Wonderland and the date of the actual Winter Wonderland. So these are all personalized. We have names on each of them, and again, these are things that my daughter makes with each person's name that's personalized. And we have a bottle of Malibu rum and a straw, and inside is some pineapple punch or pineapple juice, I should say. But whenever you're making any of these party favors, you can use whatever alcohol you want. If you want to do vodka, then you just pair it off whatever it is that you want to do. But for our party, we're actually just going to be doing the Malibu rum and the pineapple juice just to make it much easier. So we'll go ahead and get started. The fun thing about these is that these are all bought from the Dollar Tree. So they're only $1, nice and cute and very doable. So I have that. I have our shred paper to go inside of our glasses, our alcohol, our straws, and then I have these plastic bags, trying to be as sanitary as possible with today's, with everything going on. This would just make it a lot more safer for everyone. So you'll need a glue gun as well. Well, I will, just because again, we're doing the leather pieces for the jars. So we'll go ahead and begin. And these are the ones that I'm actually just glue gunning on these. Make sure. Okay, so just basically putting our shred paper and then just the bottle of our juice that we're going to be using, just like we did here. And I truly believe everything is done by presentation. You want to make sure that it looks really nice and that everything is all on the same side. So just make sure that's what you're doing when you're actually putting these together. We just wanted to do a little something fun, have a little cocktail for the event. So this is a fun way to kind of put it all together and also give it as a party favor, so they can remember the moment of the Winter Wonderland that we had. So we're going to go ahead and now bag the side portion of it, which you see on the side here, which we're going to go ahead and just put the Malibu rum and the straw in each one of these. Okay, so that's all we're doing on these. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and tie, which I won't need my gloves anymore since I'm not touching any straws or anything like that. So all we're doing is I cut 2 strings, one for the actual bag and then one to actually apply the name on here. So I just basically go underneath, very simple. As you guys will get to know me, I love to do things that are nice and simple. Simplification is better, especially when you're doing more than one thing. So before you actually tie this, make sure that you run this other one through, so that way it won't be hard to find it later, or actually do it later. It's easier. Okay, so here's our finished product of our party favors for our winter wonderland. I hope you enjoyed it, and again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And in our next video, I will be showing you how to create some fun game activities at your parties or your get-togethers. This is a simple one. It's a punch-out game, so I'm just going to show you step by step if you don't know how to make one. They're really fun and simple and easy and very cheap to do. A lot of things can be bought by the Dollar Tree, but we'll go into that in the next video. But again, thanks for joining, and I hope you had fun. And until our next video, don't forget to be creative. We'll see you then.